Butter by itself is absolutely beautiful, but brown butter that's been whipped and then spread on fresh bread is an absolute delight. Now, I tried this at a restaurant recently and I asked the chef for the recipe, so here it is. First up, you need really good quality butter. Now, I'm using Australian-made certified organic butter. This is unsalted. You can use salted if you like. I'm going to add the salt later on because I like a little extra salt than usual. Now, we're going to use about 250 grams because I like to make a big batch of this because you can freeze it. So we're going to cut this into cubes. And then we'll place this delightful butter into a pot and we're going to start the process of melting it and take it to the stage when it turns that beautiful nut brown. So heat goes on and we start this on a medium to high heat. What's going to happen is it will melt, of course, then it will start to foam, and that's when you really need to keep an eye on it and swirl the pan. You'll see all of these beautiful little milk solids change from that white colour to that golden colour. That is the moment we're after. So don't go make a cup of tea, don't go answer the phone, keep an eye on the butter. This will only take about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, this has been bubbly and sizzly and now it's still foamy, but it's very, very quiet. This is the perfect sign to know that the butter is almost ready. Also, see how it's gold in those areas? That means the milk solids are changing colour. And the biggest thing for me, the biggest indication would have to be the smell. I wish you could smell this. It smells like hazelnuts, hence why they call it in French beurre noisette. So we're going to take this off the heat now. And we want to cool this down as soon as possible. So straight into a bowl. Look at that golden colour, divine. And I'm going to whip this until it starts to solidify it again and cools down. But I have ice in here and I want it to get extra, extra cold. So this is my little tip. We'll add a little bit of salt. That's going to melt this ice faster and a splash of water. Okay, just by doing that, we're going to get this really, really cold. So on goes the butter and then I'll grab a whisk. And now all you need is a bit of elbow grease and I'm going to continually whisk this until it chills completely and becomes really soft and fluffy. All right, this is absolutely perfect. That butter is silky smooth. See all those gorgeous little speckles of brown butter there? That is the taste. Now, you can pop this into a container, into the fridge, and it's ready to go. It'll last for a while, or get into it straight away while it's this gorgeous. So I'll take it out of the cold ice bath. I just want to show you how silky smooth this is. Just by popping that onto a spoon, that is like professional restaurant quality butter. I should definitely have a taste of this. So the freshest bread rolls you can get your hands on. I'm going to break that open. And I did add that salt. And by all means, you can make this brown butter and then add extra flavours to this. You could add some chili flakes, you could add some spices like cinnamon if you want to make it a sweet brown butter. Even capers is a lovely addition. For me though, to really get the true flavour of this quality butter, keep it simple, just with salt. That's heaven on bread right there. It's the best, it really is.